Hi everyone, welcome to Sunflower Homestead. So have you guys ever seen those fancy fodder systems online where they've got, the fancy tray setups and, self-watering? Those systems are so cool. And at this time, we're just trying to keep costs low. So I was messing around on Pinterest. I can't tell you where I saw it, but you fall in the Pinterest rabbit hole and you come across some really cool things. And this idea is what we came across. So this is a little craft caddy. It has individual drawers. You're supposed to put paper and pens and scissors and whatnot inside of it. Well, we're repurposing it, and Adam drilled holes in all of the trays, and then we put seeds in and watered.
Definitely top heavy right now. Supposed to be how to tighten these Allen heads up.
So now that our system is pretty much all full of water, water's draining down. This is actually day 2 on these seeds, and typically about 7 days we'll have grass, as you can see in the picture. And then when I zoomed in close, some of these have already started to sprout, so you can see really close. And in 7 days we'll pull the first tray and we'll feed it to the chickens, and then we'll refill it with seeds, or brand new seeds that haven't been watered. And then the next day we'll pull the next tray, feed them the grass, add more seeds, so that you always have a fresh set of seeds, so that you always have fresh grass. All right, thanks for watching and have a great day.